It has been melting really much. I sometimes have problems putting it in gear. I have my foot brakes all the way in. Now it's easy. But when I start up and was going to drive, it's a problem to put it in gear. Most of the people, they take off all the covers here on the left to get to the gear stick to adjust it. But it's easier to get from the other side. Behind the panels here, you will find the cable that goes from the foot brake all the way to the gear stick. So take off the panels here, then you can easily adjust it. I'm still not sure if I need to take the wheel off. I don't think so. But I think also it's just these two. That one and that one. So we have to see. But first I'm gonna drive a little bit to remove it from where it's standing now. I want to have it on a better ground. To take them out, I use this tool here that I have just bought. This one I need to adjust. I have adjusted this gold thing all the way, it's hard to see, but I adjusted it all the way up. I mean the gold all the thing all the way up, all the way down, and this one I took it all the way out. I'm not sure what is causing it, because it's actually just the wire you need. So I think an easier fix is just to put a smaller spring here, a shorter one. So we have to see. Without using the foot brake, I can easily but for reverse and park I need a foot brake. Without foot brake, so that's how you fix your gear stick if it's hard to get it in gear.